Hello, hi. Welcome to this law episode that I'm also kind of working on to share with everyone important knowledge that you probably need to know. And today I wanted to share with you about the process of renewal a property. Usually, let's say on a landed property, it could be a terrace house, semi-detached, or a bungalow, or even just an empty land with no structure erected uh, on the land. So these are the few documents that you probably usually need to look into. Um, the first one is just want to share with you is this called Jadwal One. So every time when you do renewal lease, you need to go through this National Land Code Jadwal One, and take note that land issues in Malaysia is state based. So if you are renewing something in Penang or Johor, you'll be under the Pejabat Tanah Johor or Penang. So they will have their own form, which will be Jada one as well. And so of course, all the documents are in Malay. Basically, here is to say that you intend to apply, and this here to show that you are the owner. And this is just to say that this is my full address and full passport number, IC number, etc. And then, of course, this jadwal, it comes with a cover letter, kind of like butir-butir yang mengenai tanah yang dipohon. This is to show the land description. It could be the mukim, could be like lot number, which border, and usually and then the size of the land and all that. So jadwal one is something very important. So take note. The next one is called Borang 12. Okay. Borang 12 also is a national land code property, national land code form. And I just skim this down a bit so you can see my face. So yeah, basically Borang 12 is actually universal, whether it's Petaling Jaya or KL or Selangor. This form is the same for everyone. So this is just to say addressed to the Pentadbir Tanah, which is the land registry person in charge, PIC. And then just let you know that just saying that section 197 of the National Land Code, the bayaran that you need to pay, like a processing fee, and then if there's any agreement to show that you are proof of ownership, any title dikeluarkan means if there's any extra title or any title, subdivided title or whatever issued, sometimes could be condo projects, where the straw title is out, but when you bought it, it was under master title. This just to how uh, to say that whatever you said above, declare above, are accurate, and usually yeah, just to say that you are full age, you are Malaysian nationality, is a form of declaration as well. So form 12A is like very similar in terms of it, but this is actually um, yeah. So it says here permohonan untuk menira balik tanah. It's like you see this why form 12 is a bit 12A is a bit different is because you have to actually surrender your land, your the title to land office first for them to do an extension of the lease. So this is one of the that's why you get 12A, and then earlier one was a Jadwal one. Okay. So the third one is if it's under a company. So if it's individual, will be a bit different. So basically, just fill up it's like a form, fill up, your individual name, directors, these are director of the name, and this is the name of the companies, and other information that you need to give, and just a certification that whatever you say above are accurate, and basically you're not lying lah. So just to show you the fourth document that you need to look into is this is like an appointment letter. You can appoint a lawyer, you can do yourself. If you do yourself, then you don't need an appointment of this letter of appointment, because you just need someone on behalf to do it for you. Or you can appoint a land surveyor to actually carry this out for you, lot, mukim, and all that. So and then this is just a chop by them. So the third form I think is quite important is the permohonan untuk peroleh persetujuan dasar pihak berkuasa negeri melanjutkan tahanan. So imagine you see you got the Jadwal 1, which is a standard application like a form. Then you got the 12A, which is to surrender. Then this to get back the land from the from the land office. So again, the information of the application is the same. So it is this form is actually lampiran A is actually back to back with 12A. Again, this one is applied to all states. You just need to put in the, if it's Pahang, you put Pahang, and if it's Johor, you just put Johor. So again, you insert your maklumat tanah, sebab permohonan. Let's say your lease is 40 over years, you want to extend back to 99 years. Then account permohonan, the 100 ringgit that you need to pay, land search that you need to do, to show your latest SS quit rent are paid, your passport or your IC. So this is an attachment that you need to go put in as well. So yeah, so these 5 documents. So for a renewal of lease, the renewal lease, basically you need to pay a premium because they will be basing not on the valuation of your structure. Let's say your terrace house is in PJ is 700,000, and you base on the structure of the building. If you want to build this terrace house today, it could be, let's say, 300k to 400k. So the land probably costs around 400,000 for example. So if you then you divide the size of the land, which is around, let's say it's a 4,000 square feet terrace house, as a big one, let's say. So it's about 100 ringgit per square feet. So average, when you want to renew the lease, the ballpark figure, there's actually a rough calculation which I'll do in my next video. We should come to about 100 to 100 plus thousand average to maximum 200,000 for renewal of a lease. I'll do a more detailed video on how generally is calculated. Basically, is they have to find the valuation of your land, and then look at the tenure you want to extend. Then if you want to extend by 50 years, and from usually people Malaysia, usually everyone will extend to about 99 years. That's about it. So thank you for listening. Yeah, so please smash the like button. Thank you.